All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So on the corner. On the corner. Corner. Mm-hmm. When something is at a bend. On the corner. Yeah. Right. The shop is on the corner. Yeah. They are waiting on the corner. On the next corner, we will turn left. Yeah. We will wait on the corner. We're going to wait here. Nowhere else. You can see it on the corner. It's right there on the corner. Look, you can see it on the corner. We stood at the corner of the field. We are standing on the corner in the field now. We are standing on the corner in the field now. How cool is that? He is starting a new business on the corner. Over there, that is where he's starting the new business, on the corner. He is doing something on the corner. They are selling something on the corner. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Without them, we can't find them on the corner. Without the details, we can't find it on the corner. We'll go there and not know what to do. We can't find it on the corner without the map. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use on the corner in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you look for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.